Hello students, welcome to Dheya Prakashan Academy Maharashtra. I am Sumedha and today we are learning for creative writing for standard 6 subject English. Okay, see, pay attention here, we are starting our lecture. Now see, what is a creative writing? Creative writing is what? Something you write away in a creatively. Creative way means what? You have used a colorful paper or regarding a attractive diagram or design, writing in a different font or giving a fun message. The language is something regarding to a fun also, an activity also, or regarding to excitement. Okay, that is what a creative writing. Writing something different, not in a formal way, but the language is something in a proper manner that give a quick idea about the activity. Now see, what's that? That is about news also. Okay. Now see, one by one we will take. Now see, creative writing. That is what amazing news reporting activity. That is what a creative, amazing news reports activity. Students are given humorous or unusual headlines and must write the full news story incorrectly. The class 5 ways. There are classic 5 way. The 5 way W. Okay. 5 ways means what? 5 W. That is what? The how, what, where, when, why. A wonderful blend of imaginative and structured writing. Writing should be in a structured way, in a imaginative structure writing. Okay, now see, this is what collaborate storytelling means what? Collaborating a storytelling. Think, write, pass. In group, each student starts a story for 5 minutes, passes into a peer to continue, and so on until it return to the original author. The porters are what? Creative, right? Creatively and teamwork. See, okay, collaborating storytelling is about what? Write, pass, think, write, pass. Okay, see, if I say make a group of 5 students, what you will do? You will pick up 5 students from that you will be your friend. Okay, now if I say you students make a story on, see, on a topic, that topic should be my trip or my uh, tour. Okay, now what you do, you think about the place first which you have visited. Now you are 5 people. Okay, everyone have visited to different places, but what you will do, you will decide commonly one place. That place is Manali. Okay. Now see, if I say talk 5 minutes on Manali, means what? You visit to Manali, right? You have an idea what and activities are there, right? So what you say, madam, we go to the Manali and we go by aeroplane. But directly there is no specific aeroplane to go directly. So we reach as the XYZ spot. From that spot we go by bus or by our cab. We book a cab and then we go. So what happened? You have telling a story about what the place you have visited. Means what? You are explaining your emotions, your thoughts in a creative way. See, if 5 people and 5 you friends are good Manali, but your experience, your thinking is something different. Someone have good experience, someone have bad, and someone says that is okay, that was neutral, nothing has happened, so happy. Right, this way is also can happen. So you have to be creative while writing the story. Means what? Creating a new ideas also, creating an imagination. Okay, what you will think? See, in the next vacation, I am going to visit a Goa. Okay, means what? You are imagined. You have imagined, right? This way. Now see students, the time compass instructions. The student choose a personal object of a time collapse. The right future facing instruction on it use a significance all rooted in imagination and historical awareness. Means what you are talking about the past and you have imagination. Okay. Now fourth one is sports report role, where covering a school game or a professional match. Students collect notes and create a full sport report, practicing narrative skills with real world inspiration. Means what student? Do you understand what I have read over here? No? Okay, I will explain. See, what I have said, covering a social school professional match. Okay, there everyone knows in a school activity that is a playing cricket or football, volleyball, right? So what is that? The students collect notes and create full support sports report. If I say we have a cricket match in the last month, you just have to make a report of it. What you enjoy, what you like, what you don't like. The report is not what? Something is in a brief way explained or written. Okay. Now what happened? That is about practicing narrative skills and real world inspiration. Means what? See, what I say, you everyone watch the matches that is on TV, right? Everyone knows IPL. Yes. Now, which is your favorite player? MS Dhoni or Virat Kohli? MS Dhoni. Yes, yes. My favorite is also MS Dhoni. Now see, that is an inspiration for who loves cricket, and for them also which didn't play a cricket. But inspiration is regarding what? So you see, when we see an interview of any cricketer, what he said, that was so amazing experience. The interview are taken of all cricketers, but one is a specific, right? Maybe he is a leader or maybe he is a very famous cricketer. So what his experience is about a real life situation? What he said, that time I was not in a way to play my physique. I am injured. My leg was injured, but still I play. That is what? That is an inspiration, right? What he is not feeling well. He is injured by his leg. He is injured, but still he play. Why? Because he want to win the match. He want to make his team win. He have taken the lots of efforts for it, and that hard working, there his continuousness, his motivation, his direction, his mindset, his planning, his strategies, very important. So that is our inspiration. What we get, we inspired by him. That is what about his real world inspiration. Understood, students? This way, I have given a very small example over here. You have to understand what is the motive about this. Now, students, we will take another part. Here are some recent and engaging writing promotes suitable for class 6. Understood? That is what? Optimum and reports. Opinion and reports. Opinion is what? And report is what? Opinion means what and report is what? See, make a difference between them. Opinion is, see, if I say, uh, I like a pani puri. Okay, that is my opinion. But my another friend, she didn't like pani puri. Why? Because it's too spicy. Right? This way, this is my opinion that I like. But what I say, no, that's not too spicy. I can handle that. I can handle that much spiciness. But she can't. So that is her opinion, and that is my opinion. Okay. But now about report. See, a report is what? A detailed summary. Contains what? A title, a aim, a duration, a explanation about a specific topic, conclusion, remark. Understood? That is what? Report. See, if I say made a report on classification of types. So, what will be a first sentence? Aim. Why this is important? A detailed explanation about it. And duration is what? Regarding means which activity you have taken and which takes time, how much time. You will make one questionnaire about it. Okay, questionnaire is everyone knows questionnaire. Yes, making a set of questions, and after that you write your own opinion. That is what? A conclusion. Conclusion cannot be a copy paste. That you have to decide what you feel. If you feel this is something a fun activity, or this is improving my grammar skills and my sentence formation, my vocabulary, my written and writing, reading, communication skills, that is what? Something regarding to making you perfect. That is your point of view. But another student will think something different. What he will say, it helps to making me my study easier. I can understand, like my grasping power is increased. Okay, my written communication has improved. Right? It may be different or it may be little bit same also. That is what? That is a conclusion. And remark. See, you have written this, but what about your teacher? Teacher is also giving a remark. Why? Because teacher observe what you have write. They first check. When you done your homework, what you do? You go to show your teacher. What teacher says, this is right, this spelling is wrong. They do a round of it and they write a right spelling, right? They explain you. This is wrong done, this is right done, this is very good, your handwriting is good. You need to improve your handwriting, you need to improve your written skills. Your sentence formation is right. If that is wrong, what teacher will say this, if you have to improve your writing the sentence properly, increase that skill, right? This way. Another part is what? That is a end of report. Okay. Now see. Write a report about your favorite scientific fact. This is an activity, students. Okay. Take a screenshot of this. Okay. I will move this side so you can take a screenshot. Everyone done? Okay, good. Now see. Are video games as possible positive or negative influence? Topic is what? Are video games a positive or negative influence? You have to make difference. between this. See, everyone know about the video games? Which are the video games? First you take that list. Which one is your favorite? Pick that one. Okay, under that you have to make a two column. Positive side, negative side. Make points, positive or what, negative or what. It increase our sharpness or something what you feel. Okay. And next is what last line below that differentiation box you have to make a one conclusion. Means what about the both part I have compared and what I understand, what is my understanding or what is my thought. You have to write that down. And after that, make a column for remark. Okay, understood? Yes, very good. Now see, journal promotes what books should everyone read and why. What goals would you like to achieve in the next 10 years? Now see, general promotes are what? See, I am asking you questions like what book should everyone read and why? See, if I suggest you read a book of a science fiction. Okay, why science fiction? Yes, that improve your thinking quality. You will think creative. You will think out of box. See, what do you know out of box thinking concept? See, what is out of box thinking concept? I will explain. See, if I say draw a box, you draw a box, and I say do signature. So, if you do signature inside, that is inbox thinking. And if you do signature outside, something okay. If you do a signature out of box, that is what? That is what? Out of box thinking. If I do signature inside, that is inbox thinking. And I have done this at outside means what? I have think out of the box. Means what? Thinking something different from others. Your thinking should be always different, but in a positive way, not in a negative way. Okay? That should be fruitful for yourself also, for your surrounders also, and that will be help you in study also. Okay, this is what a positive approach you have to maintain. Okay, students, understood? Now see next, what is about if you, let us see, what goal you will achieve in the next 10 years. Now see, you are in a 6th now. Okay. What is your standard is? That is 6th standard, right? See, after 10 years, what will happen? You will be almost graduate. Graduate also and 3 years of experience also. Right, if you joined immediate after your degree, then what? You have joined some reputed company. Right, or maybe after a degree you will prefer to do a master's, but still you have joined to another company, a reputed company, right? So what will happen? So if I say what you will do, so you will say, ma'am, we will take a science field, we will go to a doctorate, or for an engineering field, we will be in a engineering IT sector. Okay, in a IT sector. I am handling with the QA, BAs, .NET developing, right? I will be a coder. I will be a QA. I will be a business analyst. I may be a HR. If you do an MBA, I may be an HR. This way, okay? And if you say, ma'am, I will do a graduation in a commerce side and I will be a good banker, that is also a good plan. See, from now you have to think which field you have to choose, which stream you have to go, which how much percentage are needed now. The percentage cutoff is also high. Which will be the merit list? Which classes should I join? Which skill I update? Okay, which field I will choose? Which college I will choose? This is also a question, right? You start thinking from right now. So then that when that time you will reach at a good class or good college, good company, good future automatically. Okay, this way you have to think. Now, next is what? That is an example of news. Scientists discover a new microbes and clean dirty quickly water quickly. Now see, a tourist is arrested for visiting a forbidden Indian Iceland. Babies can make memories, thought they usually don't remember. Okay, and other is what researchers find a way to send sound to just one person without other hearing it. Now other one is next one is in 2005 203 24. Okay, the world largest digital camera is installed in ship of detailed space pictures. Okay, these are the news. Now see, you have read the news. See, take a screenshot of this. I will move over here. You student take a screenshot. Done? Okay. Now this is a MCQ. A new deep soil microballs or what? What did scientists discover? Okay. So what did scientists discover? A new phenomenon of a deep soil microbes. Okay. Now next is where we where were these microbes found? On a tree, in an ocean, inside volcanoes, deep in the soil. The answer is deep in the soil. Next is how deep were microbes discovered? 10 feet, 70 feet, 700, 2 meters. The option is 70 feet. Another is which countries were sample taken from? Canada and India, USA and China, France and Brazil, Japan and Russia. Answer is USA Loa and China. Okay. Now next, what are these microbials called? They are called what? They are called CSP13. Another is what does this microbials help do? Growing trees, purify water, produce electricity, create soil. The option is purifying water. Now see, what is the critical zone? That is what area in space, deep soil layer up to 700 feet or science museum, volcano park, peak. So option is deep soil layer up to 700 feet. Which did Japanese scientists compare the exploration of microbials under soil to? That is what? A unknown but exploration. That is what? A space travel. Okay. Now next, what is the next step scientists plan? That is what? growing them in a labs, eating the microbeads, sending them to space, painting them. What they decide? They decide option B. Okay. Thank you so much, students. Keep practicing and have fun learning. Thank you.